So today we have two very cool things. Number one, Shaun.
That was very cool.
And number two, this Ferrari F8 Tributo. Now, this car has a very cool story, doesn't it?
From what we heard, yes. The gentleman drove in a bit of a hurry, in a bit of a panic, and unlike most of our customers' inquiries this week, which have been about Ronnie Dahl and his YouTube channel, I think this gentleman has been watching Whistling Diesel as he has taken it off-road, and I feel like he's done a hill climb because the whole thing from top to bottom, inside engine bay, throughout, red dust, gravel. So from a bit of imagery's coming to mind is, yeah, he's been sending it up some hills. And
he said that he did some burnouts and
skids,
did some donuts in a paddock.
He's a developer and he's got some sprawling properties.
Yeah.
And I guess on the way in, he's decided to cut sick a bit and done a few spinsy-winsies.
Yeah, well, why not? All right, so what's the plan with it?
Just decontaminate it, get rid of all the red dust and engine bay, complete wheel arches, engine bay, wheels, just remove the red dust, which is throughout, gravel dust. So yeah, a comprehensive valet, get it back to what it was before. No polishing this time, he will down the track, but his main concern was just getting rid of the red dust. So,
just a really, really good clean.
Yeah, absolutely.
Fantastic. Let's get started. Right, so we've literally just finished working on it. In fact, the owner is already here to pick it up. He's had a quick look at it outside as we brought it up here, so I'll be really quick. But basically, yeah, this isn't really the kind of thing that you see every day. You don't see a car of this caliper being used in such an enthusiastic way. I know that that'll kind of give people a lot of mixed feelings about it, but you know, it gives us a very unique job and keeps it all very interesting. Nick was kind of lost for words at a few points.
It's filthy, man. Apparently it's been doing donuts and broken.
Broken.
And paint. Look. Look at the wheels. wonder if we're better off using this.
Ultimately, very, very cool car, very unique job to work on. It looks so much better than it did before. We washed it thoroughly, decontaminated it. Yeah, I guess the level of effort needed to get this car to as it is now isn't what you'd normally expect for a car like this. But yeah, I guess it makes for a cool video. So thanks for watching.